All right, hey everyone. This is Samuel Dennison, your academic coach from Engage Alamo College, and today we're going to be going over your account settings. You can see here, these are your account settings. You can click and access your name in the top right-hand corner to get access to the account settings, and you'll scroll to the third button, and it'll say settings, and you can click that button, and it will bring you to this page. On the account settings page, there are different tools for you to use. There's your name that you can check to make sure everything is spelled correctly. You have your email address. This is probably going to be your Alamo. This will be your Alamo email address. You want to keep your Alamo email address as the account email address so that you can stay connected to Alamo and all the messages that you'll be receiving from them, as well as connected to the program. Then there's a password for you to create. If you want to also add an email to, also have that extra layer of organization and backup, you can add an email, but please do not remove your Alamo email from your primary account. Um, if you need to change your name for whatever reason, if it's spelled wrong, if it's changed because you got married, then this is where you would also make that happen. And you just, again, make sure that name is verified, that you spelled it correctly, because this is also the way it's going to appear on your certificate when you complete your course. And down here, then you can further link your accounts. So we have linked accounts here. You can link your Facebook, you can link your Apple account. I have my Gmail account linked here because that's the account that I'm using for Coursera. And that will probably what you'll see if you're using a Gmail account or something else to log in. You'll see that here. But if you don't see it here, you can link it if you'd like to. And then finally, you can delete your account for whatever reason after. This would be after you finish your certificate. Each course you're going to go through is already set for you to go through. So once you're finished with Coursera with all your certificates and you don't want the account anymore, you don't plan on taking any more classes, then you can go ahead and delete that account. And then if you need to, which I definitely highly recommend using this from time to time, your learner data report. This is great for receiving all the data that you have stored in your notes, everything, your grades, everything that you stored in Coursera. You can have it send a report to your email address. It can be your Alamo email address, or it could be one of the ones that you added to your account through the settings page. And that is a brief overview of your account settings.